Okay, so I haven't made a video in a while, so this is gonna be my latest one. You can see, it doesn't fly to origami. Let's get started. Fold it in half. Unfold it, and then fold this. Same with the other side. Fold this all the way down to here. Fold it back up. Oh yeah, after this it's gonna be pretty hard. Flip it over. Do whichever corner you want. I think this is gonna be the hardest part. Wait a sec. I have to unfold it because I'm not really good at making it. Okay. So there. That's one. Same with the other side, which is pretty hard to do once you first do it. Okay. After you're done with that, fold it like this. Fold the other one like that. I don't think this is my greatest airplane yet, but this is gonna be one of my best airplanes. See, it's kind of pretty hard. And then fold it in half like that. Once I first made it, it was really hard. But now it's really easy. Okay, so we're not actually done yet. We're just gonna have to do this. See, they look the same.
What are the names of this?
I don't know what the names are. You can name them whatever you want, but
okay.
That's it.
How old are you?
6. Bye.